So hi everyone, in today's video we are moving on to 6 nests and we are focusing on the beautiful Peruvian lily. I don't know, I keep saying this, but all of the flowers in this book are my favourites. That's why they're in this book. But yeah, the Peruvian lily is so gorgeous. I love the different colours it comes in, primarily the pinks and the yellows, and it has the most beautiful markings on the petals as well, and that's why I wanted to include that in this book too, because I think it's just really fun just looking at, again, another bilateral symmetry flower. So it might feel like it's a bit of a challenge to draw, but obviously with the step-by-steps that I've got in the book, hopefully you're going to find this really straightforward to create as well. So the Peruvian lily, also, if you actually get any Peruvian lilies, then they are so beautiful to press as well. I've got some here in my local area that I've picked up before, and they're just so gorgeous to press. And actually it was one of the inspirations for one of my botanical mandalas in my botanical mandalas book. If you've got that, it's the one that's the purple design with the pen and ink. That was actually inspired by the pressings I had from a Peruvian lily. Gorgeous. So in the book we go through the step-by-steps, and then obviously again the PDF has got all of the exercises that are included. So this one is just one exercise for the Peruvian lily. I've got some examples there of slightly different angles, so have a go at drawing slightly different angles. If you're feeling a bit more confident with your drawing now, as we've worked through some of the frameworks, then have a go at that. That's really good fun too. And again, please do share, and if you've got any questions, please ask away, and I'm here to help you as well go through the process, and I can't wait to see what you guys create, so please do share them. Thanks, bye.